Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to transform a cheap plastic pot into a stone-like one while keeping it lightweight. This project is perfect for creating a mini pond. Since I'm going to make a mini pond, I've already sealed all the holes in the bottom of the pot off camera. This is necessary to prevent water from leaking out. The pot is to be sanded with sandpaper. This is important to ensure that the first layer of decorative plaster adheres well to the surface. Use medium grit sandpaper to thoroughly sand the pot without damaging the plastic surface too much. After sanding, remove all the dust with a cloth and degrease the pot with a solvent. You can also use any alcohol-based solution. Now, decorate the pot. I had some decorative plaster left over from a renovation. Its grain enhances the texture of the stone-like pot. You can also use exterior putty and add some sand to it. The sand will give the project a more realistic appearance. Add black paint to get a dark shade of gray. Apply the mixture to the entire surface of the pot with a wide brush, trying to create an even layer. This layer will serve as the base for our stone effect. Let it dry for several hours. The next layer is lighter. I've added a bit of yellow paint to make the color warmer. Again, apply the new layer in patches with a brush, creating a natural stone effect. It's important to apply this layer unevenly to give the pot texture and depth. Let it dry. The final layer is even lighter. I've applied it with light strokes to highlight the texture further. Let it dry completely. After the final layer of decorative plaster has dried, sand it with sandpaper to give it an aged stone look and brush all the dust off. I wanted to decorate the surface of the pot with a pattern. You can use ready-made stencils or create your own. This will add uniqueness to our project. I decided to make the stencil myself. First, print the desired pattern out and cover it with tape on both sides to prevent the paper from getting wet. Then cut it out with scissors or utility knife. You may lay the pot on its side, place some stones to keep it from rolling, and secure the stencil with masking tape. Apply the decorative plaster over the entire stencil pattern with a scraper. Once the pattern is filled, carefully remove the stencil before the plaster dries. In about 15 minutes, when everything has set, smooth out any unevenness with a scraper or by hand. Perfection is not needed here since we are imitating an old look. Then, use sandpaper to give it an even more aged appearance. Brush the dust off and highlight the pattern with white paint so it stands out against the background. Inside the pot, I placed a small container with a water lily and other aquatic plants, filled the pot with water and installed a solar-powered fountain. That's it! We've transformed a simple plastic pot into a stylish and impressive stone-like planter. It not only adorns a garden but can also serve as a beautiful arrangement for your plants. You can also plant flowers in such containers. I hope you enjoyed this project. Subscribe to the channel and hit the like button.